What up, y'all? So today is the Mall of Stance down in Florence, Kentucky. I've got a couple buddies meeting me here soon at Scene 75, the usual meetup spot. As you can tell, we're in the Civic today. I let it warm up and gotta go get some fuel. But after that, we'll be meeting up, getting some good shots, maybe some rollers. I don't intend on going too crazy fast in this thing, so we'll get down there and show you guys what the scene has changed, how the scene has changed in the last year. Because if you haven't already, you can see last year's Mall of Stance video right here. We had all kinds of stuff out there, tons of cool builds, tons of work put into the cars. You can tell everybody definitely loves this hobby, and there's even RC cars and other small motors riding around, so it's always a fun time. Hope to see you guys there, if not this year, today, right now, in this video, then next year. Big shout out to Gag, Good Enough Garage, for putting this on. It's really sick. Honestly, this is one of my favorite. Hold on. Honestly, this is one of my favorite meets of the year. Just something cool like other small businesses and like permissions for lots, and this is the full extent of that. We don't just have permission for the lot, we are driving into the business. So there's all kinds of fire codes and hazards that come with that, but that's why I'm saying big shout out to Good Enough Garage, because they jump through all those hoops. They make sure everyone does everything the way that they're supposed to, and as long as everybody's honest, you'll get in, and people get to enjoy your car and the work and the progress that you've made. So yeah, hope to see some of those builds right now. Yeah, TJ got a new exhaust. Yeah, hold on, do it again. Hey, don't tell anybody. No. They don't know. I need to get a test bike. Hey, so what happened? Huh? What happened? What do you mean? My muffler? Mm-hmm. I just disconnected it. Oh, okay. It's cut off at the resonator. Not hey. Cut off, like yeah. Will they get mad if I add a downpipe? I don't know. Probably not. Yeah.
Dude, did you hear what I did last week with Alex and Scotty?
Yeah, what'd you do?
And I two-stepped at a stop sign, and Thomas was with us, and a squirrel fell on Scotty's windshield.
Oh, hell no.
You scared the fuck out of him.
It fell from the power line.
Damn.
Oh, yeah.
Just from the two-step, it fell off the power line.
Yeah, then some guy across the street thought you shot somebody.
Yeah, and he started walking like
Get
get out of here.
I feel kind of sick. Like, are you fucking kidding? No, okay, hold on. I'm fucking pissed.
Sticker?
Hey, here, look. For the go, Mike,
I just washed my car, too.
It happens. I got pissed the first time it happened to me. I didn't do it though.
Hold on.
I hate fireworks.
I like this way. I get a little
I'm fucking pissed off right now.
Alright, hey, have fun, y'all. I'll hit you guys up later. Okay, bye. Let me hit that Mazda.
What, left the residue?
Yeah.
Oh, don't come off.
It better, otherwise
Not right now, probably.
someone's buying me a fucking $1,300 headlight.
You see that? You're just not pushing hard enough. Somebody ought to teach you how to detail. Just talking shit. Trying to make a light of the situation. It sucks, but it's fixed.
A light.
Hey, a light. You know how dirty this thing is?
No.
Dirty.
Dirty.
Pretty dirty.
Is it really dirty?
Dirty. All right, y'all. We'll get some rollers. See you there. There's a play set? Ooh, BMW. Thank you, sir. Oh, party foul. Literally, we pulled in right by your car.
Cappy, let's go buy some fucking cookies. I just gave myself some insulin. I'm ready to get some fucking cookies right there on the end.
Dude, I'm hungry as shit, I'll tell you that. Chicagoland. Thai kitchen. I'm about to see how I like it. I don't know, I've never been here.
Juki got the sauce, bitch.
bit of drift damage. Some more drift damage. When do you thinking that's coming back around?
Maybe another month or two.
Oh, that's no time, bro. That's no time. Good luck.
Cappy, I see the car over there. By the way, when you're driving on the other side of the highway, that thing looks sex.
What do you mean?
It looks just awesome.
You saw it?
No, when you're...
All right, y'all. So it is getting incredibly hot. I gotta get the car home. It was out of coolant when I got here. I need to fix that radiator cap and that reservoir cap. But she made it, and we're on our way back now. Had a blast. Thanks for everybody who came up, said what's up to the camera, said what's up on the vlog. Love seeing the support. I really appreciate you. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like, comment, subscribe down below. Hope to see you all next week on next week's video. Comes out on Thursday. Look out for the link. Peace out. Be safe.